of Management Sciences, International Islamic University. I am Dr. Abdur Rahman, working as Professor and Dean Faculty of Management Sciences, and I have joined this university 2 years back. Currently in this Faculty of Management Sciences, we have 3 departments named as Department of Business Administration, Department of Accounting and Commerce, and Department of Project Technology and Project Management. In these departments, we are offering a variety of degree programs. In Department of Business Administration, we have the degree program starting from undergrad in like BBA 2 years, BBA 4 years, BS Public Administration, MBA, MBA Executive, MS Management Sciences, and PhD in Management Sciences. While in Department of Accounting and Commerce, we are offering 2 degree programs. One is the BS Commerce and the other one is BS Accounting and Finance. Similarly, in Department of Technology and Project Management, we are offering a very attractive program which is BS Business Analytics, BS Project Management. So with these programs, we have to go with these programs, we have 50 faculty members, in which more than 30 faculty members have their terminal degree as PhD, and we also have the faculty members with corporate experience. So to welcome the students in fall 22, I would say that it's a very exciting and attractive opportunity for them, that if they join this university, we have number of activities for them. We have the business band competitions here. We have special emphasis on the entrepreneurial activities. We have special emphasis on the regular job fairs for the students, conducting international seminars, international conferences. And another important feature of this university is this university have diverse students from all over the world, where you have the opportunity to interact with the students from different backgrounds internationally, and which gives you exposure. Another important feature is, especially for the female students, that we have a separate campus where they can get their education separately, and so you can say that we have 2 parts or 2 campuses, one for the male campuses and one for the female campuses. So I would say that it's an amazing and it's an opportunity which will flourish your business education, your minds, open your minds, and give you an exposure which will definitely enhance your capabilities, and it will be a benefit for your future. Thank you.